Dyeing is a wonderful way to get the colours that you want, and really it's very easy. A lot of people are a bit frightened about dyeing, but I'm going to show you a very quick and easy way of doing it. The first thing is I use primary colours when I'm doing my dyeing to mix all of the other colours that I need. Now I've got some samples here. For instance, this one was done with 5 spoonfuls of turquoise. This one was done with 5 turquoise with a drip of yellow. Then 4 turquoise with 1 yellow, 3 turquoise with 2 yellow, 2 turquoise with 3 yellow, 1 turquoise with 4 yellow, and yellow with a drip of turquoise. And you can see a quilt here that I've done. It's a basic log cabin, but I've used all dyed fabric in it, and you can see how the colours all blend together.